Welcome back to HN Auto, your trusted destination for in-depth reviews, car culture, and everything automotive. In today's episode, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Lexus LX 700h, the luxurious flagship SUV that blends power, prestige, and electrified efficiency in one bold package. This is not just another luxury SUV, it's a statement. The LX has always stood as a symbol of opulence, rugged capability, and cutting-edge technology. But with the arrival of the 2025 LX 700h, Lexus takes things to a whole new level by combining a powerful V6 hybrid drivetrain with next-generation comfort and innovation. Let's start with the design. From the moment you see the 2025 Lexus LX 700h, it demands attention. The design language is unmistakably Lexus, sharp, bold, and sophisticated. At the front, you're greeted by an aggressive, reimagined spindle grille, now more streamlined and integrated with the body. The grille is flanked by sleek triple-beam LED headlights with arrow-shaped DRLs that give the LX a commanding presence, day or night. The front bumper features angular detailing with functional air inlets, emphasizing both form and performance. The sculpted hood flows into a wide stance, giving the LX a muscular yet elegant profile. From the side, the LX 700h's proportions speak of luxury and capability. It rides on massive 22-inch forged alloy wheels, wrapped in high-performance all-season tires. Subtle chrome accents, flush-mounted door handles, and aerodynamic mirrors contribute to its upscale look. A strong shoulder line runs the length of the SUV, emphasizing its size and strength. Around back, the new LX adopts Lexus's signature full-width LED taillight bar, connecting the L-shaped lamps and creating a futuristic light signature. The Lexus name is boldly spelled out across the tailgate, replacing the traditional logo, signifying a modern identity. Dual-tone rear bumpers and a roof spoiler complete the design, offering just the right blend of athleticism and elegance. Let's move inside, because this is where Lexus truly shines. Step into the 2025 LX 700h and you're greeted with an environment that redefines luxury. The cabin is a sanctuary of premium materials, thoughtful ergonomics, and cutting-edge technology. Every surface is wrapped in semi-aniline leather, open-pore wood, and soft-touch materials. Ambient lighting flows throughout the cabin with customizable colors to suit your mood. The LX 700h is available in both 5-seat and 4-seat ultra-luxury configurations. In the 4-seat layout, the rear seats are executive class, featuring individual captain's chairs with full recline, ottomans, massage functions, climate controls, and dual 11.4-inch entertainment screens. It's the ultimate chauffeur experience. Up front, the driver gets a high-tech cockpit with dual display layout, a 12.3-inch upper touchscreen for navigation and media, and a 7-inch lower screen for climate control and vehicle settings. Everything is intuitive, fast, and seamlessly integrated. The driver display is fully digital, with customizable layouts, navigation guidance, and hybrid system information. A new head-up display provides speed, directions, and alerts projected onto the windshield for easy viewing. Lexus also introduces its latest voice assistant, activated by saying, "Hey Lexus," which can control everything from the sunroof to your navigation route. One of the key highlights of the LX 700h is its Mark Levinson reference surround sound system, with up to 25 speakers, providing concert-level audio quality throughout the cabin. Comfort is next level. Every seat is plush, adjustable in multiple ways, heated, ventilated, and trimmed with the finest craftsmanship. The cabin is whisper-quiet thanks to acoustic glass, sound deadening, insulation, and active noise cancellation technology. Storage and practicality are also well covered. The center console features a wireless charging pad, deep storage bins, and USB-C ports for all passengers. The cargo area offers generous space, and with the third-row seats folded, if equipped, the LX transforms into a luxury hauler. Now let's talk about what powers this beast. Under the hood, the 2025 Lexus LX 700h debuts an all-new 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 hybrid powertrain. This system combines a potent gasoline engine with a powerful electric motor to deliver over 480 horsepower and 650 Nm of torque, all while improving fuel efficiency compared to traditional V8s. Mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission, power delivery is smooth, refined, and surprisingly responsive. The hybrid system not only boosts acceleration but also allows for pure electric low-speed driving in urban areas, reducing fuel consumption and emissions. The LX700H can sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in just over 5.8 seconds, an impressive feat for a full-size luxury SUV weighing over 2.5 tons. But more importantly, the hybrid system provides effortless torque, especially useful for towing, off-roading, or overtaking on highways. Speaking of off-road, the LX continues its legendary capability. Built on the robust TNGA-F body-on-frame platform, the LX is engineered for rugged performance without sacrificing comfort. The LX700H comes standard with full-time 4WD, a multi-terrain select system, adaptive variable suspension, and crawling control. It also includes electronic locking differentials, hill descent control, and a new 3D multi-terrain monitor that gives you a live underbody view, ideal for navigating tricky trails. Whether you're cruising through urban streets or climbing steep inclines in the wilderness, the LX handles it all with composed confidence. When it comes to safety and driver assistance, Lexus has left no stone unturned. The 2025 LX700H comes standard with Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, which includes pre-collision system with pedestrian and cyclist detection, dynamic radar cruise control with curve speed management, lane departure alert with steering assist, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, blind spot monitor and rear cross traffic alert, parking support brake with panoramic view monitor. In addition, the LX offers advanced park assist, which can autonomously park the vehicle in parallel or perpendicular spaces with minimal driver input. Now, let's discuss pricing and value. The 2025 Lexus LX 700H sits at the top of the luxury SUV spectrum. In global markets, it's expected to start around $115,000 United States dollars to $130,000, depending on configuration and optional packages. In Indonesia and other Asian markets, pricing could reach up to 3 Indonesian rupiahs to 3.5 billion, making it a rival to the likes of the Range Rover, Mercedes-Benz GLS, BMW X7, and Cadillac Escalade. But what makes the LX700H unique is its blend of Japanese refinement, hybrid performance, and legendary reliability. You're not just paying for a badge, you're paying for a vehicle that's engineered to perform for decades. So, who is the 2025 Lexus LX 700H for? If you're a high-level executive, luxury enthusiast, or family buyer who wants a premium SUV with hybrid power, off-road capability, and first-class comfort, the LX 700H is tailor-made for you. It's not just about prestige, it's about substance. It's for those who appreciate craftsmanship, care about environmental responsibility, and demand unmatched versatility from their SUV. On the other hand, if you're seeking ultra-sporty handling or a purely electric driving experience, you might explore other options like the BMW X or the Mercedes EQS SUV. But for a luxurious, go-anywhere, do-anything hybrid with traditional SUV values, the LX 700H is arguably in a league of its own. To sum it all up, the 2025 Lexus LX 700H V6 Hybrid is a bold step forward. It respects the LX legacy while introducing the future. With a refined design, an ultra-luxurious cabin, an advanced hybrid powertrain, and true all-terrain capability, this SUV stands tall among the world's finest. Thank you for watching HN Auto. If you enjoyed this in-depth review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a premium car review. Got questions about the Lexus LX 700H? Want us to compare it to the Range Rover or GLS in a future video? Drop your thoughts in the comments, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay safe, stay curious, and keep driving what you love.